Good morning, mabuhay sa ating lahat. Our video for today is we'll plant a red hot F1 chili. What is this? Okay, using this, we recycle this plastic. This is so that if we recycle this, we help the earth, we listen the trash, and this good for planting chili because this cellophane is very hard, durable. Okay, keep subscribe, and I hope you like my video. We prepared our soil for our chili planting. We mix this with a fertilizer, the nitrogen fertilizer, like that. Okay, stitch on. Okay, ready na to land suka. It is a land prepare. Okay. You make everything clean, make all the glass disappear, put all your fears to rest. Sige. Okay. Nandyan na po ang ating F1 chili. 3 seeds per plastic bag. Okay. We wait until 1 week. So this is ampalaya, this is chili. Kung pala rin tayo nito, yung pag-harvest natin dito ay upside and down, up and down yung harvest natin dito in God's will. Okay, this is our papaya. Okay, good morning. Our project for today is magsisidling tayo ng Red Hot F1 chili. Okay? Okay? Stay tuned. Please subscribe and like. And stay tuned. Watch. Egg tray?
Oo, kanabuho niya.
Amo nga ni. Amo ta akong kanon.
Kanabuho niya, parang sa ilay na pagtanggal na.
Kada buho. Kanon na. Ay. Ha? Namot tanom. Sige la. Siring pa. Pag nagtanim, may aanihin. Pre. Pag magtanim, may aanihin. Pag magtanim, may aanihin. Yan ang ating motto. That's our motto in life. Tayong mga farmers, gardeners, that is our motto. Motto in life. Pag magtanim, may aanhihin. If we plant, we will harvest. That's our motto in life. Okay? Yan. If you want to harvest, you have to plant. Okay? 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 If you want to harvest, by the way, itong ating itong plants o itong lupa natin, nilagyan, binasalan ito natin ng na nitrogen fertilizer para maganda yung tubo ng ating seedling na chili. Okay. Spray muna natin yung ating yung lalagyan natin ng seedling. I-sprayan muna natin ng water. Para moist yung paglalagyan natin ng ating seedling na chili. And then magano tayo ng holes para sa seedling natin. Yan. One hole, one seed. Iwan natin dyan. One hole, one seed. Okay, okay. Ito na yung ating mga seedling ng chili F1. Hot chili F1. Okay? We will ito ang secret technique para maganda yung tubo ng ating chili. Pero hindi na ito ngayon sikreto dahil sinabi na sa inyo. Itong ating newly seedling nilagay natin sa tray, we will let this in a room temperature for 2 days. Hindi para yung ating ditong mga buto, yan yung buto ng chili ay mag-germinate siya. Hindi muna natin siya lagyan ng sunlight. Hindi muna. Room temperature muna. Okay? And then we will update for about 2 days. Okay? This is the room.